Hello everyone, it's AB Sniper right here, and if you are new to synthesis trading or you are new to forex trading, this video is for you. Welcome to this channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video to someone you know wants to start their forex journey in 2026. If you're a complete beginner want to start forex trading but you are scared, this video is for you. All right. Here I'm going to be showing you synthesis indices, that's Deriv Indices, and how I go about trading Deriv Indices. I'll be telling you the difference between Forex and synthesis indices, what Forex is and what synthesis indices actually is. Then what you can trade on each of them, the brokers you can use, trading hours, and key terms you can use in trading synthesis indices. And I will tell you which one is probably better for a beginner or a newbie like you. All right, the first thing I'll be talking about is what is Forex and what is synthesis indices. Forex is actually a short term for foreign exchange, and it is the biggest financial market in the whole world with over $7 trillion liquidity every single day. All right, so you are basically buying one country's money and selling another. You are doing buying and selling of currencies when you are trading Forex. Then for synthesis indices, also called the Deriv Indices, it's not a real market. They are 100% mathematically generated by a super secured random generator. All right, more like a cryptographical secure generation, and it actually mimics the real market behavior, the trend, the volatility, the spike, and all without real world news, politics, or liquidity issue affecting them. So the basic comparison between them is that Forex is actually a real world chaos, while synthesis indices is a controlled simulation with fixed rule. Here are the list of the qualities you will need to reach your goal in Forex market through trading, even the synthesis indices market. The first one is determination and discipline. You need to be determined, and you need a lot of discipline for you to actually reach your goal while trading synthesis indices. Then you must be able to set aside your emotions. If you are trading the real Forex market or you are trading the derivative market, just make sure you're able to set aside your emotions. When you are seeing floating negative, just don't panic. Be at rest, be at ease. If your analysis is actually very good and right, then it will eventually end up in profit. All right, then you need to focus on your trading plan. If you're a beginner and you watch this video, you can send me a DM on Telegram. My Telegram link is in the description. It's also in the comment section. You can send me a message on Telegram to request for a trading plan, the kind of trading plan that I use and I follow on a daily basis in derivative trading. All right, then you must be able to reinforce positive trading habits. You do not overtrade, you do not over risk, you do not take your savings and start risking it the way you like. You do not borrow money and start risking it on forex markets. You must be able to have a positive trading habit. Then patience actually plays a lot. It actually plays a big role in trading forex, because a lot of time you might need to wait for 5 hours for your setup to actually come back to your entry, then wait for the confirmation before playing out. Then you must be real with yourself and be able to control yourself. That's self-control. All right, so let's talk about what is traded on forex and synthesis indices. All right, for forex we have the currency pairs. We trade currency pair majorly on forex, the likes of euro usd, gbp usd. But here we are dealing with the synthesis indices. So here the list of we have the list of synthesis indices here. All right, so for forex you can see here we have the AUD JPY, AUD USD, OUSD, and all. Then for deriv we have the volatility indices starting from 10-1s, 10-51s, up to volatility 100. All right, then we have the step indices, which is the step index 100, 200, 300, and 400. Then we have the boom and the crash. Then we have the jump indices also on deriv indices. So these are the indices we trade on deriv indices. And the key point here is that in forex you trade real currencies, but in synthesis here you trade volatility itself. You trade the volatility itself here on synthesis indices. On synthesis indices is actually pure technical analysis. All right, so let's talk about who is a forex broker and who is a synthesis indices broker. If forex brokers are firms that give you access to the forex market, yeah, they provide you access to the main market where you click on where you trade, where you click on your buy or sell, where you want to buy or sell from. They give you access to the financial market by providing you a trading account. Yeah, they're also known as retail forex trader. And here are the factors you need to consider as a newbie before choosing a broker. That's number one thing is the security of your fund must be guaranteed, and their market execution speed, the spread and commission, and their local fees and ease of deposit and withdrawal. So for the indices, the deposit is actually very easy. They have different deposit method. I use the payment agent actually, and you can deposit using LTC, BTC, Ethereum, and all. And another thing is the customer service must be great and reliable. Yeah, that's very important. And for this synthesis indices broker, Deriv is actually the king of all, because they create these indices and they have full catalog. Some other brokers do not have what Deriv Indices has. And on Deriv Indices broker, you can actually trade the normal currency pair as well. All right, so let's talk about the trading time and session. And for currency pair, it's actually 24 hours a day, then 5 days a week. For currency pair, you can only trade 5 days a week. They have different trading time on currency pair. That's the Asian section, the London section, New York, and all. But in synthetic indices, it's actually a 24 hours market, and you can trade it 365 days, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, and or you can trade on Saturday, on Sunday, on weekend, any day, anytime you are trading the synthetic indices. There is nothing like the gap. And if you have a 9 to 5 job, synthetic indices is actually very good for you because to give you the free time you need on weekends to actually access the market and trade as you like. Even in the midnight, you can actually trade. It actually moves very fast in the midnight. You can do whatever you want to do on it in the midnight, and it will be very, very, very fast. All right, so let's talk about the terminologies used in Forex. We literally use the same terminologies in synthetic indices too. We have the likes of pip or points. That's the smallest price movement. We call that pips in Forex, or you can call it points too, same as the synthetic indices. The price movement is the pips. Then the lot size which you use on your MT5 in opening positions on Forex or the synthetic indices. So for the synthetic indices, it actually has different lot size, different minimum lot size per the synthetic indices you are trading. So if you need that, so you can join my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is in the description below, and it's also in the comment section. Then check my pin post. I actually pinned the minimum lot size for each volatility indices in my Telegram channel. Then leverage is actually the most important of all, because I overuse this leverage on Deriv. That's it. Turning $850 to $7,000, turning $500 to $10,000. That's the work of the leverage. Leverage is basically borrowed money. Yeah. So Deriv gives you up to 1:10,000 on same synthetics. Yeah. So you have access to more than the balance you have in your capital to actually trade once you get your entry right. Then another one is margin, spread, bid, ask, then long and short. So long actually means to buy. That means you want to long, let's say V25, you want to long V25. That means you are buying V25. Or you want to short, that means you are selling. All right. Then stop loss, take profit. I'll get to talk about, I'll make another video on the concept of stop loss, take profit, and all these terminologies. I'll make another video to talk more on them. So let's talk about the forms of trading. In Forex, we have two major forms of trading, which is the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis. The fundamental analysis is basically news trading. You are following the world news to know what you want to do in the market. That's based on news. Then for the technical analysis, it's actually based on your, on your trading pattern. If you are trading the sharp pattern, the support and resistance, QMR, whatsoever pattern you are trading, that's for the technical. But here in synthesis, you trade using only the technicals because there's no fundamental in synthesis. No fundamental at all. You just need to be good at the fundamental, at the technical analysis, and you will make a lot of money. You will make a lot of money. So if you're a beginner, I recommend you start with the minimum lot size when you are backtesting or you are trying to practice. If you are practicing with a real money, even with a demo account, just make sure your psychology is built around the minimum lot size first, so you can get to grow along the line. Then as time goes on, you keep increasing your lot size till you become a pro, just like AB Sniper. Club that. In conclusion, which one should a Forex beginner start with in 2026? Is it the Forex market or the synthetic indices? I would love to know your comments in the comment section. Please drop a comment. Let me know if you think it's Forex or synthetic indices, and tell me why you think a newbie should start with Forex or should start with synthetic indices. All right. And I give free signals on my Telegram channel. You can click on the link in the description to join my Telegram channel. And if you want to open a Deriv account, I will drop the link in the description and also in the comment section. Use this link to set up a Deriv account, join my Telegram channel, share this video with someone you think might want to start Forex trading, and let's get started together. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share.